is day 2. We are finishing up the French drain today. You can see there's a water. Here's the shut off. So we've kind of stubbed some pipe around that so you can still access that. We're gonna be able to cap that so air doesn't flow into the system. But this continues across. Again, there was a trench here and that goes to a sump pump down there in that corner. So we're wrapping that up today. We're gonna continue to wrap the walls in liner and then we'll get this thing closed up. We're almost done. We started rolling the liner out today and sealing, and so this is coming together. The radon was at 0.6 earlier. We'll see what it does when we get here in the morning, but so far it's looking pretty good. About to wrap this crawl space up. We're getting towards the end of this crawl space job, and we started wrapping everything up today, sealing everything. It's kind of what it looks like. Still got some sealing to go, but so far looking pretty good. The radon's down below 1. Earlier it was at like 0.6, so we'll see what keeps happening.